Hey everyone, Jay here with LMR.com. Today we'll be covering the alignment and adjustments of installing a new hood on your 99 to 04 Mustang. Before we get into this video, I do want to go over a few things. We highly recommend having your local body shop do the final adjustments with any body panel. Experience is key here, and minor movements of these panels one way or another can change things drastically. You can rely on your body shop to do this task, but you know as well as I do, some of us will rock an unpainted hood for a while after unboxing it. Test fitting is key on these aftermarket hoods, and we always recommend doing this regardless to make sure there are no imperfections or defects out of the box. Follow along and we will guide you through this process and show you what's involved. First, you will need to check the overall alignment of your factory hood. Take your time here and make sure that you take detailed notes on the gaps on each side and all the way around the hood, including the fenders and the front bumper. Pop your hood and support it with the prop rod. Remove the hood by placing a few cloth rags on the back corners of the hood. With the assistance of a friend, hold each side of the hood and securely remove all attaching hardware. Normally you will have 2 bolts located on each side of the hood hinges. Also double check for any kind of ground straps or washer lines, depending on the year if equipped. Let the hood rest against the rags if need be, and remove the hood from the car. With the new hood, lift the hood in place and align these to the hinges. Loosely tighten down your hardware on each hinge. The primary objective here is to try to center the hood to the fenders to start off with. Taking your time is key here, and going off your measurements from your stock hood will help you out with the proper gapping needed. Moving to the hood to the bumper fitment, this can take some time. Again, going off the measurements from your stock unit will help you out here. Removal of the headlights will be necessary as well to gain access to the header panel and attaching hardware. Again, just doing the initial setup and letting the body shop finalize this one can help. Just make sure that you do not have any excessive rubbing between components to eliminate any extra body work down the road. Finalize any adjustments you have made and tighten down all of your associated hardware. So going back over this one, we do want to stress this is a general overview only. Your local body shop will be the professional here, and they will know the ins and outs of these cars and the overall adjustments for the body. Working with aftermarket parts can be a tad finicky at times. Just making sure that you take your time on this, and if all else fails, you can allow your body shop to do the final adjustments when it's all said and done. To see more how-to videos covering industry-leading products and service, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on notifications. As always, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.